We are our brain. Traumatic brain injury is a very serious ailment. As our soldiers, men and women, come back from the field, they are now assimilated into the society and they are not even aware that they have been injured. And this is the real problem.
A real problem that Dr. Nama Chandra is determined to solve. Working at the Trauma Mechanics Laboratory at the University of Nebraska, Lincoln, Chandra strives to protect soldiers' brains from direct impacts and the shockwaves associated with explosions.
The protective capacity of the helmets is not actually known when it comes to shockwaves. The helmets are primarily designed for blunt impacts and for ballistics.
Our idea is to replicate field blasts and understand how brain TBI, traumatic brain injury, is caused. We know the injury takes place, but we want to know what is the true cause of injury. What does it take to make a better helmet from the blast perspective? We hope by doing these experiments, we will be able to come up with specification and hence better materials, geometry, and better helmets for the next generation of soldiers.
We can produce the same type of shockwave that would be emanated from C4 observed at a distance of 25 feet away. That would incapacitate or kill just about anybody who is exposed to that.
The shock waves that are generated during explosions are very complex. When a shock encounters a human being, it very quickly passes by your head, penetrates into the brain, and affects the brain. It is manifested in the short term in terms of memory loss, in terms of functionalities, in terms of lack of behavior, and also we know it may have a long-term effect on Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, ALS, and many other neurodegenerative diseases.
There is definitely a reduction in quality of life. You're not the same person anymore, and it's unfair.
Dr. Chandra's team hopes to develop a helmet that will reduce the damage caused by shockwaves. They also envision creating sensors to alert soldiers when they may have experienced a mild brain injury that could have lasting effects.
Our goal is to save lives, and our goal is to engineer better quality of life by saving soldiers and preventing brain injuries. Soldiers give their lives to save us, and we need to give our lives to save them.